President Kibaki is one of the busiest people in Kenya, if not the busiest. But he makes time every year to open the Nairobi International Trade Fair and do a lap of honor to inspect the various stands. The show is still organized by the Agricultural Society of Kenya in Nairobi and across the country. For many attendees, and there are many, it is a chance to see what business is on offer.
I came to look around and I came to look at the different products the Kenyan market can offer. Right now, I believe it's really big. I've never seen such a, what can I say, such a combination or a grouping of big companies, investors, international companies, plus local market. It's a really big scenario.
When I was growing up in high school and primary school before that, the agricultural show, and there are these in every district, was a place for agricultural ingenuity, for school kids also like ourselves to get a free outing. That appears to be still the case. Ice cream, nice one. But it is now turned more business-minded. For instance, that might explain why the mobile network Safaricom has a big stand here to try and promote its products. But increasingly, especially in recent years, the agricultural show has morphed into the Nairobi International Trade Fair, which might explain the existence of this huge Tanzania stand behind.
Honestly, business is not as good as in recent years. The entrance fee to the fair is a little higher, so there are fewer people coming in.
The Tanzania House features a lot of African fabric stands, which are popular across most of the continent. But the country is also pushing its tourism offering, which competes with Kenya's own. For the rest of the show, the agricultural focus is still strong, as evidenced in this auction. The theme of this year's trade fair was enhancing technology and industry for food security and national growth. Though the government is keen to promote growth in food production in the last 10 years and subsidized fertilizer and seeds to farmers, it is silent on the population explosion that has eroded those developments. But at the fair, it is not all about food security.
I come to look for business opportunities. Yeah, mostly child games and stuff. This year, it's less crowded and less kids, less people, as opposed to, say, to last year, I think. And also, there are more opportunities. People are here to look for business as opposed to have fun like years ago.
Government agencies and parastatals routinely fall over themselves to put up showy stands at the trade fair with lots of brochures and eager staff. For private firms, a few have also started to show interest in the show, hoping to make a killing from it. Banks, fast-moving consumer goods companies, and everything in between now trying to appeal to the fair-going population.
Well, I came to because I was interested and curious what goes on at the show. Because it's been some time before I came. I came here when I was so small that I can't remember anything. When I came, it was interesting to see, especially the livestock and the plants. I was a bit interested in farming, and they seem to do very well. So I was curious to know how they make the things work so well here.
The average Kenyan farmer is 50 years old, and the Agricultural Society of Kenya worries that food security will be severely compromised in the next 10 years if more young people don't take up agriculture.